Alright, my view and some things about my Pioneer radio. There's my center dash stuff. This button does that menu. Seems like a lot of those are grayed out though. On the left, the top two buttons work. Give stuff like that. That works. Shows the door open. You can go setups here. Vehicle status monitor. Warning guides, no warning. Maintenance. You got scheduled maintenance. Tire rotation. Oil change, I haven't figured this out. This is that. This is this button. Does that menu. The star does that menu. The volume works. This one doesn't work the same. This just changes radio stations. These three buttons don't work. It hooks up wirelessly to my Bluetooth. It's this phone right now. That's my Google. So it's all wireless. These three wires, the two green and the blue, they come from the car and they no longer are used to go to anything on the new radio. This is the module that connects to the radio and the car, so all your steering wheel controls can work. This is what's plugged into stuff from one end, and this is the only one that's used from the other end. These are the brackets that came with the kit that mounted to the side of the stereo, and that's the screws I screwed into the car. First I leave this piece loose, then I install this piece. It's the add-on piece from the radio. Fits in those holes there, here, and there. Plastic bracket that went to the 10mm bolt in the center, and then the OBD2 wire, the orange and yellow, had to snake back through the back. I used a coat hanger. This is behind the glove box. Got to get that white connector off. Also had to redo that connector right there. Under the glove box, this panel pulls down. Once you pull your glove box out, there's a screw right here. There's a screw right there. This panel pops out. Then we need to get back and pull this plug out, plug into here. We need to pull out that white plug and plug into here.